Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this air duster. Let's go ahead and get right into this. It does say to hold this button down 3 seconds to turn off. So that's on. And you just hold it 3 seconds and you can turn it off. So it does come with a whole bunch of different attachments, which others that are sold online do not have. This is great for like cleaning out your keyboards and stuff. It has these little bristles so that it's blowing air, you can see, but you're also able to clean with it at the same time. You can use this for your keyboard. You can use it for the inside of your vehicle. Pretty much anything. You can use it to blow up like balls or balloons. It has this attachment right here, which is great for balloons. It has this one, which is a lot wider, so you can use this like if you have like a floating tube or anything like that. It has this one right here, so you can see. And then it has this really long one to get somewhere, like maybe it's deeper into an area that you can't reach with your fingers. It does have this one as well, which is really nice. Just screw it in there like that. So pretty cool. It also does come with a USB to a USB-C port, and you'll plug it in right here to charge it. I'm probably going to use this for my vehicle the most, honestly, but my husband will also use it for his work computer because he does like to keep it nice and clean. So as you can see, when you plug it in, the light will come on and it's red right now. So that means it's charging. And then it does have a fan on the back. Let me go ahead and show you a little more. And then it did come with this, which is just an extra brush for brushing off, but it is retractable, which is really nice. So this is the brush. This is a brush nozzle, small diameter. So this is for pressurized air. And then this is the large nozzle. Type-C charging port, and battery indicator is right here. Power on and off, that's a LED light. Air outlet, long diameter nozzle, and LED indicator is right here. So when you turn it on, it automatically has a light. As you can see, the air pressure on this sucker is insane. Oh, dried out my mouth. Let me go ahead and show you how to use this thing in other areas. Let me see if I can't find my keyboard. Okay, so this is just to give you an example. This is actually really dusty, so let's turn it on and clean it off. And I'm going to try this one so I can get kind of deeper in there to clean it. And as you can see, it got rid of all the dust that it had. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.